Hello everyone and welcome to the video on prompt engineering. In this video, we will explore the concept of prompt engineering and how it can be used in ChatGPT and in other AI models. So first of all, what is a prompt? A prompt refers to an input or instruction provided to the AI model to generate a desired response or output. So, for example, in ChatGPT, suppose if I want to know how to say hi, how are you in French language, first I have to give an input like translate hi, how are you in French. So, this input, whatever we are giving here, is a prompt. So, now we get an output or response like this, which gives the translation of hi, how are you in French. Then, what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is all about designing and creating prompts in a way that helps AI models to produce the desired outputs. It's like giving clear directions to the AI so that it understands what we want and provides the most relevant and accurate responses. So basically, prompt engineering is equal to how you construct your prompts. So now let's see with an example how it is done. For example, suppose a software engineer fresher asking for some list of interview questions to the AI model like ChatGPT. So the input will be generate a list of interview questions for a software engineer. So the output generated is related to the context given, but it is too general and most of the questions are for experienced people. So I am again modifying the input by adding in an entry level here. So now what happens is AI generates the output in such a way that it generates list of interview questions for a software engineer who is in an entry level position. So let's take it further by iterating more. Saying I need interview questions for fresher and also who had done Python programming training. So now the prompt will be like this, like generate a list of interview questions for a software engineer in an entry level who has completed training in Python programming. Here the output shows the questions. Those are relevant to Python programming, that too in an entry level. So you can see that the output varies with respect to the prompt given. In this example, you would have understood how a little change in the prompt brings a greater change in the output. It is essential to remember that the proper use of prompts plays a crucial role in the field of AI. It is not merely knowing all the AI tools that matters, but using AI effectively with well-crafted prompts is what counts. In today's AI-driven world, individuals who can efficiently leverage prompts are highly valued in the job market and given priority as all companies either currently use or will use AI tools for productivity. Therefore, having expertise in prompt engineering on your resume is always an advantage. Thank you.